Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro and welcome to another Elementor tutorial video. And in this video, me and my team have created a vertical header using latest Flexbox container. So you can have a sidebar vertical header which will look like this. So if you want to create the stylish looking sidebar vertical header in your latest version of Elementor using Flexbox container, keep watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without further ado, let's jump into the screen.
Hey guys, welcome back to Websense Pro. I'm your co-host Nadashik with another tutorial on Elementor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an Elementor sidebar header in your WordPress website using Flexbox container. Inside this header, you can see Elementor sidebar menu, which is auto-highlighting with the page scrolling. And at the top, when we click on the toggle button, this header becomes narrow and we can see the menu with only icon. This header is also perfectly responsive for our tablet and mobile devices. So if you want to learn more, please stay with me and let's see how you can make a sidebar header in Elementor using Flexbox container. So my first step is to click templates from the left hand side and choose theme builder. Here I'll be adding a header widget. Let's see. Okay guys, so the header is inserted. Now what I'll do is I'll click this plus sign, choose the Flexbox structure here like this. Now I'll do some settings. I want the content width to be full width. Okay, and then height to width, and it should be full height 100. Okay, now I'll give it a background. Let's give it a dark background here. Okay, this looks good. On the left hand side, go to the advanced setting of the container here. Click this. Okay, then we'll scroll down and give a class sidebar. Now scroll down again, and here you can place a custom code, which I'll also mention in the description so you guys can copy paste it. Now you can see the header is vertical now. So now I'll start adding items in it. Click the plus sign and first add a container here. Drag it here on the screen. Okay, now I can add an image in it. Click the plus sign from the left side. Search for image widget and drag it like. Okay, now the second widget which I'll drag is icon. Okay, icon. Now search from below this. Looks good, and icon list here below this. Okay, now I'll drag a container again for an image, and in this container I'll add an image widget, and I'll be adding an image box. So click this plus sign, search for an image box and drag it below this within the container here. So let's add the images here. Here I'll be adding the logo. Okay, now I'll add an icon. Let's go for a bar icon. Okay, icon is inserted. Then we'll sort this out. The skin needs to be minimal. It looks good. We'll give it some styling, some background, a nice bluish one. Let's see what colors better here. To the search from here, now we can give names to the icon list. For example, I just show you one. and do the rest on my own. For example, hold, and we can give an icon here as well. Okay, you guys can see that I've added the icon list here and the icons here. From here, now what I'll do is I'll give it some styling. First, I'll set the width to 35 here. Now the content alignment to the left. And from the left hand side, go to advanced setting, change its weight to inline, and then scroll down and change its position to absolute so that you can place it anywhere you want. Okay, coming towards the icon here, to the right from style. Okay, let's change its color to white. Looks good. Now the size, it's smaller. Okay, go to advanced here, change its weight to inline. Okay, then go down. Okay, then we'll change its position to absolute so that you can place it anywhere you want on the screen. Like that. Okay, that looks good. Now, what I'll do is I'll make it a bit smaller. I can here we go to advanced setting and add CSS classes sidebar dash toggle. Okay, now we need to scroll down, go to custom CSS here, and add this code, which I'll also mention in the description below so that you guys can copy paste it. Now you can see thin lines here, which looks really good. Now what I'll do is I'll give my search form some margin. I'll go to advanced here and I'll give it some margin. Okay. From the top, let's give it 100. Now I'll select the search form, go to style here, and now I'll set the border. Okay, let's change it to 6. Okay, this looks good. Now I'll increase the border radius like this. Okay, now I'll select this icon list, go to style, and let's change the color of the icon first. Looks good. Now we'll scroll down, go to text here, and let's change the color of the text to white as well. Now this looks good. Now what I'll do is I'll go to hover effects and let's give it a nice color. Bit lighter. Okay, let's see how it looks. Looks really nice now what I'll do is I'll edit this. I'll add an image here. Okay, image is inserted. Now I'll go to the image box and delete this extra image option, and I'll type my name and my profession here. Looks good. Now I'll do some settings here. What I'll do is I'll go to style from the left side and then scroll down, click content here. Okay, let's change the color of the title first. Looks good. And color of the description as well. Then I'll change the typography. Okay, now the typography is set. I'll remove the spacing in between them. Looks good. Now I'll give it some styling. Let's change the width. Okay, 40. 40 is good. Now I'll align it to the left here. Okay, let's do some styling for the text now. Now what I'll do is I'll select the text here. I'll change its weight to inline. Okay, it already is, and position to absolute. Now I can place it anywhere I want. I'll place it next to this like this. Looks good. Okay, now what I'll do is we'll open the structure here. I'll select this container, and what I'll do is I'll add the color. Let's give it bluish one. Okay, looks good now. Now what I'll do is I'll add some space in between them. I'll just search for a spacer here. I'll add some space in between them like this. Let's see. Let's make it 100 and adjust it. Okay, now let's adjust it. Paul, and assign some CSS classes to it. For the image, the CSS class is it's the logo. Okay, for the icon, we have already given a CSS class, which is the sidebar toggle. Okay, now the icon list, the CSS class is going to be navigation. For this container, the CSS class is going to be user. Okay, I'll go to the header setting here, go to advanced and add this JS code which I've mentioned in the description below. Now you can see my vertical sidebar header is ready. I'll click preview changes to see how my sidebar header looks. When I click on this toggle icon, it gets suppressed and I can see the icons only. As you guys can see, the hover effect is working as well. Now, I'll check how it looks for the other devices. For the tablet mode, this is how it looks. And for the mobile, it's not visible. Let's do some settings for the mobile. What I'll do is I'll add a container here. Now I'll search for an icon, drag it here, move the container. Let's add a bar icon again. Okay, this is how it looks. Now what I'll do is I'll give it some styling first. Let's give it black color. Okay, now go down, give this a CSS class, sidebar dash tutorial 1. Okay, what I'll do is I'll go to advanced setting and change its position to fixed so that it won't move. And let's see where it sits good. Here somewhere. Okay, looks good. Okay, this looks good. Now I'll add a CSS code which I'll also mention in the description below, so you guys can copy paste it. Let's click custom CSS from the left hand side and place this code, which I have also mentioned in the sidebar icon as well. Let's decrease the size. Okay, looks good. Okay, now I'll click publish and let's see if it's working or not. This is the desktop device. Okay, looks good. Now I'll click inspect element. Okay, so iPad mini, this is how it looks. When I click on this, the icons are there. Okay, when I choose iPhone XR, when I click here, this is how it looks. When let's go for iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, this is how it looks. Looks really nice. Okay, if I want, I can do more adjustment for this icon as well below to the responsive mode here. And now I'll hide it on desktop. Click publish. Okay, now let's see how it looks. It should disappear from the desktop. Okay, now it is disappearing. Okay, this is my final look. Looks really good. All the four is appearing. And for the other devices, iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, when I click this, looks nice. For the iPad mini tablet, okay, if I want, I can hide on the tablet. Okay. If you love this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and if you want me to make this header for you or any type of headers, you can contact me on the contact form which is given in the description below.